Testing, testing. Hey everybody, welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. It's bright and early in the morning, and I've got biscuits going in the oven because I needed some biscuits according for the episode we're doing today. I'm making a loaf of bread because I'm out of bread. I got a pot of water on here. That's what we're going to do for today. See, I got me a pot of water started right here. Big pot of water. Not that bowl. Coming up to a boil. Today we're going to do like a country chicken pot pie kind of deal. It's good stuff too. And we'll get to that episode. Right now, let me handle all the rest of this stuff. When the water comes up to a boil and stuff, and I get my bread in the pan to rise, I'll be right back to you. But anyways, welcome to the episode. I'm BLG, I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. We'll see you guys back here when this pot of water comes up to a boil. Are you in there? Can I see you if I look close enough? Maybe she can see you. Can you see them?
No.
She can't see you either. I know you're out there though. I just thought of something. I got some little small cubes. One like medium-sized potato because I'm only making one for this thing for my supper and stuff. We got our boiling water. You got your taters. You got the boiling water for the chicken. Why don't we just take these taters and make use of this boiling water? I'm going to dump them in here. This is salted boiling water. And we're going to boil these off. Ah, my stomach! We're going to boil these off. Hot Waddy! I'm being tortured. Oh, God, take me now. Take me now. I'll eat my tummies. Anyway, we're going to boil these off until they get kind of tender. What the hell is that? So they get kind of tender. Probably about 10 minutes or so. When they get tender, where you can just cut them with a fork or poke them with a knife and they kind of cut just like that. That's what we want. And then I'm going to use this guy, if you ain't got one. It's a spider web. It's a spider, they call it. And fish them out. I got my bread going. My biscuits are done. Cute puppies make the internet famous. There's a dingo. Look at them dingo. Say good morning. Good morning, eh? Good day, mates. How are we today? Mama's making a right nice cup of coffee. She's got a cuppa. Making some cuppa. Coffee. Stewie's being cute. He's over there. See him? Being cute. Mama's got wake up in the morning blindness. See her? Throwing cookies at the puppies. And there's the mama. Blind as a bat. No glasses on yet. She feels her way to the coffee. Fishies have their morning time light going. Let me show you that. I know the mixer's running, people. I'm not worried about it. There's the fishies morning time light. It looks like yesterday's count, out of 24, we have 10 left. That's good for a fresh cycle tank. Half the population almost is surviving. Okay, so I'm going to get back to making the bread. That's not part of this episode anyways. I'm yammering on. It's early in the morning and I'm wound up. So, I'm going to finish getting the bread in the bowl here. There's the bowl. Yep, it's going to go in there. But anyways, yes, these are going to boil for a little bit. I probably ought to get this bread ready. And then that'll be ready. And then I'll be ready for you to put that chicken. It's in that microwave. Right there. In that pot. And we're going to cook it down. But I'll see you whenever I feel like coming back. You're just going to have to be patient with old BLG today. Because BLG is taking no shit day, BLG day. No shit. None. I'll have none of it. Not today. You hear that, woman? Oh shit. In here still, right? I got the taters done. Potatoes, right there. They came out. Fished them out. They're on the plate. And now the next phase is simple. Another quick phase. We got 2 thighs and 2 leg quarters. Well, you know, we got a leg and thigh and a leg and thigh quarters. I want to blop them in this waddy here. Just like this. Just like this, you know. Boiling water again. Yes. That's fine. Don't care. Don't care if I burn my fucking skin off. Okay, and these guys, I want to sit in the boiling water right there until the meat starts coming right off of the bone. However long you want it to go. Mine's probably going to go, I don't know, I'll let you know when we get back. Roughly, I'm guessing an hour or so. So, we'll see you back here when that chicken is falling off the bone, baby. And ready to, at least tender to pull off the bone. There you go, cute puppies. Make you famous. Dingo puppy, dingo puppy. G'day, mate. G'day, puppy. Another fine day in the outback. Oh, look at him sit for you. Don't you want to pet him? You want to pet him. Pet the puppy. Pet puppy. Pet him. Okay, anyways, we're back. We've got Chicky. All deboned. Nice little chunks of chicken here. Set you here. We're gonna piece the rest of this together right quick. Here's our taters that we had. Remember the taters? In they go. This is easy. We're gonna get our taters in here. We're gonna bury our fork while we're at it. Okay. Now we have a can of condensed cream of chicken soup. Don't put the milk in it. I'm gonna put that in here. I'm gonna mix it around. A bit like this. See? Looking good. Looking good there, mate. Looking good. Now I've got some corn. Any vegetables you want, however you like your pot pie. I've got carrots in there, but like I said, I don't eat cooked carrots. So I'm not going to mess with that. Dump some corn in here. Probably corn. Okay. Then I've got some peas. I'm going to put some peas in here. Peas and potatoes and corn is what I'm using in mine. Sounds good to me. Not like so. And then I'm going to mix this all together in the bowl here. Mix it up, folks. Just like this. Mixing it. Get it all looking good and coated real nice. Then I'm going to smooth out the top. Just like so. Kind of get it nice and even like. And this morning, I have made a batch of biscuit dough. So I made some biscuits. Well, I kept some of my dough right here. I'm going to lay this right up on top here. Just like so. Get them fit in here. Nicely done, son. Nicely done. I'm going to use the back of this. I'm going to poke a little steam hole right in the middle here. Just like that. Poke them around the edge, Nice. See? Just like this. Then we're going to go over here to our, whoa, that's heavy. We're going to go over here to our, where are you? To our oven, right here. 400 degrees, folks. Middle rack. That's going to sit in our oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. You're just looking for the biscuit to cook, and that'll heat up everything I just put in there, because the chicken's already cooked and stuff, and so are the potatoes. So we're just looking to heat it up, and a golden, nice light golden brown crust on the biscuit. And we'll pull it out. I'll see you back here at that oven, maybe even just on top of the oven, when that biscuit gets all cooked and browned. Well, there you have it, folks. It just came out of the oven. It was a little bit longer baking than I thought. I forgot. The original recipe was for like 6 individual little biscuits. I made, as you can see, one giant biscuit. So the bake time was about 20 to 25 minutes. But there you have it. Homemade chicken pot pie. Just look at that deliciousness. Yep. I'm ready to just smack a freaking bunch of that out with a spoon and pig out. Pig out. Yes, I want some too. Lefty starving. Want chicken pot pie. But there you have it, folks. Homemade country style chicken pot pie. Yes, this good stuff. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Tune in next Tuesday. No, I'll probably be doing something tomorrow or the next day. I don't care. Whatever. Tune in though for the next exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. Hit the like buttons, subscribe, share. Let's get some people watching. Yes? Need the subscribers. Yes, yes. Share, hit the like buttons, leave a comment if you have any requests. I'll give it a shot if it's not $1,000 to make. Yes, indeed. So, we'll see you back here on the next exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. For BLG, I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. And I am Righty. Goodbye, folks.